Ever felt like you're sitting on a gold mine but don't have the right tools to dig? Well, that's what having ChatGPT is like if you're not using it to make money. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this powerful AI into your personal profit machine. We're not talking about a few spare dollars here and there. We're talking about creating serious, sustainable income streams. So grab a notepad because you're about to discover some game-changing strategies that go way beyond the basics. First up, let's talk about content creation. This is the most accessible entry point for most people. Think about it. Every business, creator, and brand needs content. You can use ChatGPT to become a one-person content agency. Start by offering blog post writing services. You can generate outlines, draft entire articles, and then add your human touch to refine and polish them. Businesses pay good money for high-quality SEO-optimized articles, and with ChatGPT you can produce them in a fraction of the time it would normally take. But don't just stop at blog posts. You can offer social media management services. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm a month's worth of engaging post ideas for different platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It can write captions, suggest hashtags, and even help you create scripts for short-form videos. Package this as a monthly service, and you've got yourself a recurring revenue stream. The key here is specialization. Instead of being a generalist, why not become the go-to AI content expert for a specific niche, like dental clinics or local coffee shops? That's how you stand out and command higher prices. Now let's level up. Beyond writing, ChatGPT is a coding and development powerhouse, even if you're not a pro coder yourself. One incredible opportunity is creating custom micro tools or web applications. Have an idea for a simple online calculator, a resume builder, or a workout plan generator. You can describe the functionality you want to ChatGPT, and it will help you write the necessary code in languages like Python or JavaScript. You can then host these tools on your own website and monetize them through ads, a one-time purchase fee, or a subscription model. Another brilliant strategy in this area is offering chatbot development services. Small businesses are desperate to improve their customer service and lead generation. You can use ChatGPT's API to build intelligent, custom-trained chatbots for their websites. Imagine a real estate agent's website with a chatbot that can answer questions about listings, schedule viewings, and capture potential buyer information 24/7. You can build this for them, charge a setup fee, and a monthly maintenance fee. It's a high-value service that solves a real business problem. Let's dive into our third major strategy. Digital products and education. This is where you can truly scale your income because you create something once and sell it over and over again. Use ChatGPT to help you write an entire ebook. Pick a topic you're passionate about, whether it's vegan cooking, financial planning for millennials, or a sci-fi novel. ChatGPT can help with brainstorming chapters, writing the content, and even suggesting marketing copy. Once it's done, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon KDP or your own website. Or what about creating an online course? You can use ChatGPT to structure your course curriculum, write video scripts for each lesson, create quizzes, and develop supplementary materials like workbooks and cheat sheets. People are always looking to learn new skills, and you can position yourself as an expert by teaching others how to leverage AI in their own fields. This creates a powerful flywheel effect. You're using AI to teach others about AI, establishing your authority and opening up even more opportunities. So, to recap, we've covered becoming a content creation powerhouse, developing custom software and chatbots, and building a scalable digital product empire. The common thread here is moving from simply using a tool to strategically building a business around it. Don't just ask ChatGPT to write an email. Ask it to help you build a system that writes emails for 10 clients every month. That's the mindset shift from user to entrepreneur. The opportunities are truly endless, and we've only scratched the surface. The best way to start is to pick one strategy that excites you the most and just go for it. Experiment, learn, and adapt. The world of AI is moving fast, and those who take action now will be the ones who reap the biggest rewards. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies on how to build wealth in the digital age. Let me know in the comments which idea you're going to try first. See you in the next one.